Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Engliopedia. Today we're covering 50 important MCQs from Mother with Love, all in just 10 minutes. Let's see how many you can get right. Let's begin. Ribbons on the gifts symbolize A. Love and memory, B. Wealth, C. Fashion, D. Death. Answer. The red ribbons on the gifts symbolize love and memory. 42. The note to Minta from Mother with Love shows A. A surprise gift, B. A mother's lasting affection, C. A school gift, D. A secret message. Answer. The note to Minta from Mother with Love shows a mother's lasting affection. 43. Minta realized her mother had known about her illness after reading letters. B. When she saw the gifts. C. When her father told her from a doctor's call. Answer. Minta realized her mother had known about her illness when she saw the packed gifts. 44. What did Minta decide to keep? A. Her mother's jewelry, B. Sweater and slip, C. Shoes and gloves, photos and coat. Answer. Minta decided to keep her mother's sweater and pale green slip. 45. What color was the slip? A. Blue, pale green, C. Yellow, D. White. The slip was pale green. 46. What item did Minta put on the windowsill? A. Fruits, B. Vitamin pills, C. Flowers, D. Photographs. Answer. Minta put her father's vitamin pills on the windowsill. 47. What did she tell her father they should start thinking about? A. School, B. Christmas, C. Moving away, summer vacation. Answer. Minta told her father that they should start thinking about Christmas. 48. What did Minta do that showed maturity? Sat in her mother's chair, B. Argued with her father, C. Went away, D. Refused to talk. Answer. Minta showed maturity when she sat in her mother's blue chair by the fire. 49. What was the blue chair a symbol of? A. Her mother's place in love, B. Minta's sadness, C. Wealth, D. Christmas. Answer. The blue chair was a symbol of her mother's place in love in the family. 50. The story mainly teaches A. Family, love, and sacrifice, B. Friendship and travel, C. Fear of school, D. Greed and lies. Answer. The story mainly teaches family, love, sacrifice, and acceptance of loss.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Engliopedia.